重庆
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey everyone, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and this is the month of love because of Valentine's Day. And here's a Hakka love song between Una Ho and Yang Ziyi. It's called Indecisive, Mo Zhu Mo Yi, and it's about when you fall in love with the wrong person, should you continue on or not? Let's take a listen.
还记得当时离开一片恬静，爱是假面的勇敢面对，想做戏无意义，讲到爱情无做无意，爱唔在意，
伊唔在意。
做新冠度，
爱已沙盘到以来倾诉，也有动曾经
会强对你，
是唔是爱出
爱上风死地，
那条路爱相信，
丢枪黑无希望。
在爱情中遇到不对的人该怎么办？当爱情路上只剩自己一个人，要继续走下去吗？这就是这首情歌对唱曲，由乌娜后、何云娜还有演员杨子怡所合唱的《摸猪摸衣》，无主无义，唱出已经变质的爱情，来点醒爱情中迷惘的人应该是要多爱自己一点哦。
打败爱自多情受，离开你也叫，爱就也思念。心痛没冇用，
想做戏无意义，讲到爱情无做无意，爱唔在意，
你唔在意，
但有几多比也很可以。
When you're indecisive in love, mo zhu mo yi, maybe you should love yourself more. That's a good reminder from Una Ho. I'm Joseph Lin. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.